Come on, everybody. There's something that you need to see. When you see it rolling into your neighborhood, come taste and see that the Lord is good. This is a food truck party. This is a food truck party.
Hi friends, it's Miss Kris, or I should say, Chef Miss Kris. And I'm here to invite you to Food Truck Party VBS. Yes, we hope you'll join us where everyone is a chef. But right now, we need to welcome our new friend, DJ Cupcake.
Hey there, Miss Kris. I'm ready for a food truck party.
Wow! Welcome and wow, DJ Cupcake. Way to roll into Food Truck Party VBS.
Thank you. I heard that our time at the food truck party involves great music, fun games, super science, and amazing crafts, and...
You are so right. And we are going to learn at Food Truck Party how God provides and how we can turn to God for all we need and how we can join God to provide for others.
Well, how are we going to learn all that at a food truck party?
Well, I'm really glad you asked that question because we are going to learn it through a special mealtime prayer and through fabulous Bible stories.
Well, sign me up. I am ready for this. Tell me more so I can tell my cupcake buddies all about it.
Okay, well, how about this? At Food Truck Party, every session we have a daily special. And, well, let's say it together. God is great, God is good. Let us thank God for our food. By God's hand, we are fed. Give us, Lord, our daily bread.
Those daily specials sound like a prayer that we say at mealtime. This sounds like so much fun.
It's going to be lots of fun, and I can't wait for you to join us. And I can't wait for all of you to join us at Food Truck Party Tuesday through Friday from 9 to 11:30 a.m., July 5th through the 8th. To register, please go on our church website. And if you need a hard copy, just drop by the church.
On a roll with God, on a roll with God, on a roll with God.
We hope you'll be on a roll with God too at Food Truck Party. See you there, chefs.
On a roll with God, on a roll with God, on a roll with God.
Bye. On a roll with God, on a roll with God, on a roll with God.